Looking for the best 4K dash cam for your car? Stick around, because today we're ranking 5 top models from weakest to best so you can make the right choice. Kicking off our list in 5th place is the ROVE R2 Dual. On paper, this one promises a lot for a very budget-friendly price. You get dual front and rear cameras, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, which sounds great for under a couple $100. Now, during the day, the video quality is perfectly fine for most drivers, and the app works surprisingly well for such an affordable unit. You also get handy features like a solid mounting system and the ability to use large SD cards. For casual driving and basic protection, it checks a lot of boxes. But here's the downside. The so-called 4K resolution is actually upscaled. In reality, the front video looks closer to 2K, and nighttime quality isn't the best. The rear camera is also a bit weak compared to the others on this list, so if clear night captures or true 4K is important to you, this one may fall short. Still, if you're looking for the absolute cheapest way to add some video protection to your car, the ROVE R2 Dual is worth considering. And hey, if you want to grab any of these cameras at the best prices, you'll find links down below in the description. In 4th place, we've got the Penemay BT25. Right away, this camera scores big on value and simplicity. It records true 4K from the front and 1080p in the back, with a very small compact design that won't block your view of the road. For a lightweight and easy to use option, the Penemay really delivers. The image quality during the day is nice and sharp, installation is quick, and the app lets you easily review footage from your phone. It even comes with a 64GB SD card, which is a nice touch. However, there are a few limitations. The screen is tiny, barely over an inch, and parking mode features are a little basic. You'll also need a hardwire kit to unlock full parking mode features. Plus, some users report the app can be a bit finicky. If you're after a no-frills, affordable dual camera setup that won't take up space on your windshield, this is a solid pick. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews. Sliding into 3rd place, we have the REDTIGER F7. Now, this is where things start to get interesting. The REDTIGER brings strong 4K performance, built-in GPS, and wide-angle lenses that really give you full coverage of the road ahead. In real-world use, this dash cam captures sharp daytime video with great detail. It performs well at night too, thanks to a bright f1.5 lens and wide dynamic range. The GPS feature is handy for logging your route and speed, and the included long rear cable makes installation a breeze. But it's not perfect. The 4K is limited to 24 frames per second, which can make fast motion a little choppy. The Wi-Fi connection isn't the most stable, and there are occasional reports that actual video quality may not look quite as sharp as expected. That said, if you want a great all-around 4K dual camera without breaking the bank, the REDTIGER F7 is definitely one to consider. Taking 2nd place today is the Miden X5. Now we're talking full coverage, front, rear, and inside the cabin. For rideshare drivers, families, or anyone wanting to monitor what's happening inside and outside the car, this camera has you covered. The front 4K video looks great, and that wide 176-degree view grabs more of the road than most. Thanks to a Sony Starvis sensor and large f1.5 aperture, nighttime quality is excellent too. The included 64GB SD card and fast Wi-Fi make it easy to manage your footage. The downsides? To unlock parking mode, you'll need to buy an extra hardwire kit, and there's no internal battery, so it shuts off when the car is off. But for an affordable 3-channel camera with a 10-year warranty, the Miden X5 offers fantastic value. Finally, in 1st place, we have the top dog, the VANTRUE N4 Pro. This camera is packed with features and truly delivers on quality, making it our best 4K dash cam pick of the year. You get real 4K video at 30 frames per second, even when running all 3 cameras at once. The image quality is simply excellent, with crisp detail both day and night. The Starvis 2 sensor really shines in low light, and the built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and voice control add a lot of convenience. Sure, it's a bit bulky, and the price is higher than the other cameras on this list, but you're getting the full package here. And for anyone who wants true 360-degree coverage with premium video quality, this is the one to beat. That wraps up our countdown of the best 4K dash cams. If you want to check out any of these top products, you'll find links to the best prices down in the description. And don't forget, like and subscribe for more reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching.